Let's take a step back in time to when David was just a junior executive. He was an ambitious young man, always looking for opportunities to climb the corporate ladder. David's drive was relentless. He worked tirelessly, often into the wee hours, to prove his worth. But there was one person who always seemed to outshine him. That person was Alex. Brilliant and charismatic, Alex had a knack for winning over the team and the boss. This didn't sit well with David. Over time, David's admiration for Alex turned into resentment, but managed to mask his feelings, smiling at Alex. Deep down, David resented Alex. He felt overshadowed, overlooked, and so he decided to take matters into his own hands. Bit by bit, David began to sow seeds of doubt about Alex. He painted him as a threat to the team, someone who was only out for himself. Before long, the damage was done. Alex's reputation was tarnished, and David finally got what he wanted. David's cunning plan worked. He had climbed the corporate ladder at the expense of a colleague, but victory tasted bitter. In the end, David realized the cost of his actions. He had gained a promotion but lost the respect of his peers. His smile of triumph was but a mask, hiding the guilt and regret that gnawed at him. In the ruthless world of corporate life, one must remember that success built on the downfall of others is hollow. David's story serves as a stark reminder that a smile can hide a multitude of sins, but the truth always has a way of coming out. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment. Hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on the next video. Thank you for watching.